Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno11 F and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down and find backup and reset option, and here we've got whole Google backup section. So let's tap on Google account and tap on next. Tap on add account. If you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, just tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read them, just tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we want to back up, so you can back up photos and videos or other device data, or both of course. I'll choose this one, so let me tap on confirm. Tap on manage a backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and all we have to do in order to finish everything is to tap on backup now. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.